test your knowledge in 60 seconds. If you score 8 out of 10, then you are a true electrical genius. Let's go! Question 1. The transfer function is A. Time-domain ratio. B. Output over input in Laplace domain. C. Input over output in Laplace domain. D. Product of input and output. Correct answer. B. Question 2. A system is stable when A. Poles in right half. B. Poles in left half. C. Poles on imaginary axis. D. No poles. Correct answer. B. Question 3. Routh-Hurwitz criterion determines A. Gain. B. Stability. C. Frequency. D. Fuzz. Correct answer. B. Question 4. SCR turns on when A. Reverse bias. B. Forward bias only. C. Forward bias with gate pulse. D. Gate removed. Correct answer. C. Question 5. Triac is mainly used for A. DC circuits. B. AC control. C. Amplification. D. Rectification. Correct answer. B. Question 6. A diode conducts in A. Both directions. B. Reverse only. C. Forward only. D. No direction. Correct answer. C. Question 7. Ohm's law is A. V equals IR. B. P equals VI. C. I equals R over V. D. V equals I squared R. Correct answer. A. Question 8. In resistive circuits, voltage and current are A. 90 degrees apart. B. In phase. C. 180 degrees apart. D. Random. Correct answer. B. Question 9. KCL is based on A. Energy. B. Charge. C. Power. D. Voltage. Correct answer. B. Question 10. Capacitor impedance is A. AR. BJ omega L. C. 1 over J omega C. D. Omega C. Correct answer. C. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow God's Will Elec for more electrical